Somebody in your office just got voluntold to run Secret Santa. If that person is you, this is the whole job, printed in about 10 minutes. Questionnaires, the name draw, the games, and the party plan, all from one download, with no apps and no signups. Here's how it works. Chapter 1. Get everyone's answers. Before anybody buys anything, you need to know sizes, tastes, and the one thing each person secretly wants. The kit collects all of that on paper, and it takes about 5 minutes per person. There are 3 questionnaire styles. The classic version is a clean one-page form. The Top Secret Santa dossier turns the same questions into a spy file, complete with a code name, which somehow gets real answers out of the people who think they are too cool for this. And the kids' version uses bigger boxes, easier questions, and a spot to draw something they love. Every style collects what gift buyers actually need. Shirt and shoe sizes. The snack they always say yes to. Their drink orders, hot and cold. The small obsessions, meaning the hobby, the current fixation, the gift card they would actually use. And the please avoid line for allergies and dislikes, which quietly saves someone from a third-scented candle. So why a paper form instead of a group text? Because nobody scrolls back through 200 messages in December, and the gift buyer keeps the sheet. Each style comes in 5 colorways: classic crimson, evergreen and gold, icy blue, cozy craft, and midnight party. Print them blank, or type straight into the PDF, and the typable versions print clean, not scribbled. Chapter 2. Draw names with no app. No sign-up websites, no accounts, and nobody's work email handed to a random name picker service. The draw lives in the organizer spreadsheet. Open it, go to the Who is in tab, and type your roster, anywhere from 3 to 40 names, along with contact info, budget notes, and whether each questionnaire came back. The sample roster shows 12 office regulars, so you can see how everything works before you clear it. Then the Draw Names tab assigns every giver a match. Nobody can draw themselves. The math forbids it. Want a different shuffle? Press one key and it deals again. When you like the result, lock it in with a single paste. It works in Excel, Google Sheets, and Apple numbers, and a one-page import guide covers the setup. The Budget and Gifts tab holds the spending limit and tracks each gift from bought, to wrapped, to delivered at the drop zone, with a little mission control panel that totals the spending and counts what is still missing. For offices, the guide says $20 to $30 is the sweet spot. Pick one number, say it early, and mean it. Here is the part people forget until the party is already happening. Chapter 3. Make party day easy. So far you have collected answers and drawn names without a single reply all. Now the kit walks into the room with you, because a gift exchange lives or dies on the 20 minutes when the gifts actually move. White elephant ships with the rules argument already settled. You get the classic rules on one sheet, plus 3 house variants with names like no steal backs, the 3 swap limit, and the final round free steal. Add numbered draw cards for up to 40 players, and a steal tracker, so when someone insists the candle was only stolen once, you have receipts. Print, deal, play. If your crowd skews mixed ages, the left-right story is the easy one. Everyone holds a gift, you read the story out loud, and every left and right in it sends the gifts flying around the circle until the story ends. There are also dice swap rules, steal or unwrap cards, and guess the gifter ballots for the big reveal. And for the night itself, the Party Day tab is your run of show, with times, what happens, and who runs it, from setup and doors, to the exchange, to the reveal, the awards, and the thank you notes. It even suggests which game fits tonight, and which one to keep as a backup. Chapter 4. Print and go. You do not print the whole kit, and you do not laminate anything. You print a small stack tonight, and you are done. For a 12-person office group, that stack is 1 questionnaire per person, the white elephant rules, the draw cards, the steal tracker, and a sheet of ballots. Plain paper is fine for the forms, and cardstock makes the draw cards feel like a real deck. The host guide lays out 2 timelines, one for the office and one for the family. Both draw names the Monday after Thanksgiving and exchange by mid-December, and the guide even schedules the nudge for the 3 people who never return their questionnaires. There are always 3. The Secret Santa and Gift Exchange Party Kit is in the description. Instant download, print tonight, and run the whole thing this year without a single group email. 62 pieces, 215 printable pages, 1 very calm organizer. That would be you. If the holidays need a budget too, the Christmas Budget Planner video is right here, Same idea, print it tonight and let a spreadsheet do the remembering. Subscribe if this saved you a planning meeting, because the rest of the trio is on the way. Go get elected. You will be great at it.